Let's revitalize your home this spring. Declutter, organize, tidying up the drawers are just a few things we're going to talk about today. Hey guys, I'm Molly Cooper with Honest Abe Log Homes and Cooper & Co. Interior Design. Join me today as we touch on a few things that you can do this spring. We're out here at a customer's home, a beautiful home today, and I get the pleasure, I love doing it, of organizing her pantry. So come along with me today as we get this done and make the customer super happy. All right, so the first thing I like to do, and it does make for a little bit of a messy kitchen and countertop space and whatnot, but go through your pantry, get everything out, go through all of your foods, all your canned goods, all your boxes, and get rid of things that are out of date. Everybody's guilty of it. So we all have something in our pantries that's a couple years old, and that's okay. You're not alone, because I did mine the other day. So start by doing that. Get everything out, kind of set it in sections of what all you've got and what all you want to keep, and then get rid of the rest. The next thing I like to do is I went to a local store and I picked up these super awesome containers. They are, they keep the air, they're airtight, waterproof for sure. So they just keep everything really good and fresh, instead of, like most everyone does, just rolls up, and puts it away for the next time. So get some containers. And then for the containers, I've got some really nice labels. I bought those off Amazon. I can link those below if you would like me to, or just contact me and I can get you in the right direction. But, get some containers, get your things, and let's put it in. We're ready? Okay. So for one of the main things that most everybody has in their house is just, a box of cereal. So I've chosen the larger thing. They've got all kinds of different sizes of these containers. This particular brand was found at Walmart. It's called the Home Edit, and I love them. They keep everything so fresh. And they're super easy to wash. And you can put them in the dishwasher if you would like to. So, super easy. Take off the top and pour in. Okay. You just put the lid back on. And what's so cool about this cereal container, you can actually lift a smaller lid to pour out of in the mornings or for your late night snack. And then back to the labels, they've got all kinds. I think this pack had like 350 labels, so I'm going to just choose the cereal one. It just says cereal breakfast essentials, so it's not cereal Honey Nut Cheerios. It doesn't have to be super specific. So just figure out where you would like to place them. I'm more of an eyeball kind of a person. I don't necessarily measure, but I've chose to put mine at the very top, and then we'll just put it in the pantry later. guys, now that you have got your pantries all exactly perfect and in the way that you want it and working for you, which is very most important, you can go around the rest of your house and declutter. Go through your closets, get rid of things. You know, if you've not worn it in 6 months, chances are you're probably not going to wear it. I'm super guilty of that as well, but just let it go. Or if you feel like you may get back into it next year, if that's a hope for you, box it up and just, you don't have to let it take up real estate in your closet. Like most of us, we don't have the biggest of closets. So tote it up, maybe put it in storage and not take up so much room. Go through your drawers, get rid of things, go through your bathroom, all the lotions and sets that you've had over the years and you've used about 3/4 of the bottle, but there's still some left, but you've went on to the next scent. So get rid of those. You don't have to keep it all just because someone give it to you, they're going to be okay with you getting decluttered and organized this year. Guys, by taking the time to go through your home, get it decluttered, it is going to give you such a good sense of calmness and, worry-free. You have got your home in a great place. You get to come home and enjoy that now that everything is decluttered and clean this spring. Y'all, if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out. You can see my information here at the bottom. Again, I'm so glad that you joined me today. Hopefully you can get your closets and home spring cleaned and ready to take on the summer.